and Solomon, welcome to the grand celebration of the 8th Nation Builders and Muslim Awards here at the stunning Okada, Manila.
Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas!
I'd like you to enjoy tonight, have fun, but also remember how important it is for our children to live in a sustainable world.
Together, let us continue working for peace, prosperity, and progress that will stand and test of time.
With this award, we are indeed empowered, motivated, and inspired to do more, be more, and care more.
Tonight is a celebration of visionary leadership and strategic excellence as we recognize those who inspire industries and make a positive impact on our global community.
For the celebration of the 8th Nation Builders and Muslim Awards, the publication that we are releasing tonight is the testament of hard works and efforts towards sustainability. But all of these efforts, the tireless efforts, cannot be made possible without each and every one of you, the Eco Warriors, the Sustainability Champion, and the steward of the planet.
But if the people work hard together towards a harmonious coexistence, we achieve a better and more livable community for everyone.
Once again, to our awardees, I offer my sincerest congratulations. Your work is an inspiration to all of us, and we hope that it will continue to inspire others to take action against climate change.
And it's wonderful that there's an organization like this that has events that celebrate and honor those who support the Sustainable Development Goals and those who work towards achieving a sustainable future for our country.
It is about healing our planet, empowering our communities, and honoring the generations that came before us.
Dahil sa dulo ng lahat ng ito, hindi ang aking pangalan ang mahalaga, kundi ang pangarap ng bawat Busenyo. Ang pangarap ng isang sambayanang may tunay na paglingap sa kapwa, may pagkakaisa at may pag-asa.
Together, we can cultivate a future rooted in harmony, resilience, and abundance.
May this recognition inspire us to keep supporting science, technology, innovation, and good governance for the good of our nation.
I'll go home holding with this a promise to continue this journey to serve Mandawihanans with love and dedication.
For us to have sustainable future by 2050, for us to continue this kind of awarding ceremony, we have to save the life and biodiversity in the planet.
Together, we will rise. With hope, we will heal the world with hope in our hearts and fire in our eyes. For the future, we will create. For the earth, we will protect. I commit to be a guardian, a climate hero forever. Together, we will change the world, one small step at a time. For the planet, for the people, for a future that shines.
Let us continue working together for a brighter future and building community rooted in unity and progress.
Our fight for justice in whatever arena it may be, social, criminal, climate, economic, is always for the future of humanity.
Thank you very much for this recognition and opportunity. To God be the glory.
All of these efforts would be is impossible to be made without my staff who tirelessly working late at night. They are not recognized. But tonight, let me reiterate and give them a hand of applause. To my sustainability team, creatives, marketing, production, you great. A job well done. Congratulations. Let's have a toast. Cheers.
Mabuhay po ang nation builder, mabuhay po ang Pilipinas.